So children, what does this train tells you about is the special moments of Millie's life. Okay, she captured in a photograph and she made a train of that. Okay, so this was all about Millie. Okay, so likewise there is one activity for you. You should also collect the photographs of your childhood, and you should make a train of this like this. So this is your activity. Okay, and after making that train you will come to know that what makes you you. Okay, so this will tell you about yourself, this will tell me about myself. Okay, now tell us some things about yourself, take the correct boxes. So here you have to tell the things about yourself. For example, I will take my example here. I am a boy, boy. I am a boy, or I am a girl, girl. So here I am a girl, so I should take this one. Okay, if you are a boy children, you have to tick here, and if you are a girl, then you have to tick in this box. The next one is my, hair, hair, is straigh, straight. So my hair is straight, or my hair is curly, curly. So my hair is straight children, so I will take this one. You have to check your hair, and you have to answer whether your hair is straight, straight means like this, or your hair is curly like this. This is a curly hair, you can look at here. Straight hair means like this. Okay, so you have to check yourself and you have to take the answer there. The next one is I wear, wear, do, not, not, wear, glasses, glasses. I wear or do not wear glasses. Glasses means your specs. Okay, so do you wear glasses or not children? I don't wear glasses, so I do not wear glasses. If you wear glasses, if you have glasses, then you have to tick here. If you don't wear your glasses, then you have to tick here. The next one is I am RIGHT, right, hyphen HANDED, handed. I am right handed, or LEFT, left, hyphen HANDED, handed. I am right handed or left handed. Right handed in the sense children, right handed means if you do all the work with your right hand, then you are a right hand person. If you do all your work with the left hand, then you are a left handed person. But I do my work with right hand only, so I am ticking here. So you have to check yourself and you have to take the answers here. The next one is I have, do, not, not, have, a NICK name, nickname. I have, do not have, nickname. I have or do not have a nickname. Nickname means, for example, if your name is Monica, then your mother will call you like Monu. So Monu is a nickname there. Okay, what is nickname means? A name other than your real name that your family or friends call you by is a nickname. Okay, so I have or do not have a nickname means yes, I have a nickname. Okay, so you have to mention here whether you are called by your nickname or not by your family. Okay, so in these, what you have noticed children, that you are telling about yourself here. So are you a boy, are you a girl, are you having straight hair or curly hair, do you wear glasses or not, are you right handed or left handed, or do you have nickname or not. So these are the things that tells you about me, isn't it? These are the things that tells us about me. Okay, THINGS things, THAT, that, MAKE make, me, things that make me. It means what? It means that what are the things that makes you different from others. Here in this picture you can look, there are 5 children. Okay, so some are 2 are boys, 3 are girls. So boy and girl, they are different, and some may like something other person may like different thing, isn't it? So this also makes you different from everyone, isn't it? So in this paragraph we are going to learn the difference between you and other people. Okay, what makes you different from others? Different, different, in many, ways, ways. We are different in many ways. First of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of different. Different means not same. Okay, something that is not same is called as different. all, of of, us us, look, different. Different. So all of us look different. Yes, in your family only, you just have a glance over your family, you people look different from each other, isn't it? Your mother looks different, your father looks different, your brother will looks different, your sister will looks different, your grandma, grandpa, everyone, every person you visit in your life, they are different from us, isn't it? They look different from us. WEVLIKE like, DIFFERENT different, THINGS things. We not only look different, children, but also we like different things. Like for example, Zara likes to make friends. ZARA, Zara, LIKE is likes, TO2 MAKE make, FRIENDS friends. So Zara like to make friends. Sid enjoys being with animals. Tina loves math. Ravi enjoys playing the drums. Maya loves to play football. So every person loves different things. Okay, for example, I love English, but few people love Telugu, few people will love math, few people love science. So these are the different things. Okay, so these are the things that makes us different from others. Okay, so you like different thing, other people will like different thing. You may like one thing, your friend may like other thing. So this thing also makes us different from others. Okay, all these makes us special, and this uniqueness makes us special. All, THESC these, MAKE make, US us, SPECIAL special. So all these make us special. What makes us special? We look different, that makes us special. And the second thing is we like different things. So this also makes you different from others. THERE there, MUST must, BEB, THINGS things, YOUU, LOVE love, DO2 do. There must be things you love to do, isn't it? It is also a lot of fun to learn new things. IT it, IS is, ALSO also, a LOT lot, OF of, FUN fun, TO2 LEARN learn, NEW new, THINGS things. So there must be things you love to do. It is also a lot of fun to learn new things. It means that you also may love different things, isn't it? And there is a lot of fun to learn new things. Like here you are learning social studies, here you are learning about me, so you are learning here new things, isn't it? So there is a lot of fun to learn new things in your life, in our life. READ read, ABOUT about, SOME some, THINGS things, THESC these, CHILD REN children, ENJOY enjoy. So read about some things these children enjoy. Here I have told you about that. Here there are 5 children, some are boys, some are girls, and some love different things and other love different things. So these are the things that make you different from others. Okay, like Zara likes to make friends, Sid enjoys being with animals, but Tina loves math. Ravi enjoys playing the drums, but Maya loves to play football. So everyone are liking different things. So this makes you different from others. You are different from others. You are not same like others. Okay, so the meaning is DIFFERENT different means NOT not, SAME same. Here is one activity given. EVERYONE apostrophe S, everyone's, NME name, HAS has, a SPECIAL special, MEANING meaning. Everyone's name has a special meaning. FIND fine, OUT out, WHAT what, IS is THE the MEANING meaning, OF of, YOUR your, NAME name. So everyone's name has a special meaning. Find out what is the meaning of your name. Okay children, so everyone's names are different and we have a meaning for every name. So you find out your name meaning. Okay, this is one activity given for you. And also children, I have to tell you about this. Special meaning is unusual, different from what is normal. Means what? Your special means you are different from others. Okay, so unusual, 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 DIFFERENT, different, FROM, from, WHAT, what, IS is, NORMAL, normal. This one I have read about nickname. So here I am going to end our discussion. Hope you people understood and try to read it, practice it. Okay, and stay connected. We are going to do the second part in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.